Let's try a mooncake. So apparently it's almost Mooncake Festival, and for those who don't know, I don't even know what that is. I had to Google this, and according to Google, you guys can correct me if I'm wrong, or if Google is wrong. The day of the Mid-Autumn Festival is traditionally thought to be auspicious for weddings, as the moon goddess is believed to extend conjugal bliss to couples. And I was at my local Asian supermarket, and they had a really pretty display of a lot of different types of mooncake packages. They ranged from 20 bucks to over 100 bucks, and I honestly didn't even know what I was getting myself into, so I wasn't going to spend 100 bucks on something that I had no knowledge of. So I spent 20 bucks on, I guess, a mooncake, and let's see what this tastes like. Oh, there's a filling. Oh, that's good. It reminds me of a date filling. I don't know what that is. Let me see. That's good. It's soft. It's a bit hard on the outside, but there's no real crunch. So there's peanut kernel, raisin, black sesame, walnut kernel, watermelon kernel. So it's quite soft. You just can almost break it like that. Ooh, that looks nice. Now I'm wondering what those $100 plus packages had. I'm assuming it's something similar to this, but what's making it so expensive? Apart from the packaging, I don't know. If you guys ever bought something like that, let me know in the comments on what exactly is in there, because this is actually pretty good. If I had to rate this, it's a solid 8.7 out of 10. It's nice.